Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. How hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing a school, your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem, class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. Fine, but we are going to, review some of the topics. So our main agenda today is English grammar. The date today is 20th January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Okay class, today our topic of interest is noun. What is a noun? You people are aware of that. A noun is a word that names a person, place or thing. ठीक है ना? Noun उस चीज़ को कहते हैं जिसमें किसी भी person, place या thing किसी भी चीज़ का नाम हो. Okay, we have 5 types of nouns: proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns and material noun. You people must be aware of proper and common nouns. Today we'll focus on abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? Let's see. Okay, now see, as I told you, today our topic of interest is abstract nouns. So what are abstract nouns? An abstract noun is an idea, a quality or a state of being. Fine, like actually it just describes about the feelings. ठीक है ना? We cannot touch them, we cannot see them, we can just feel those things. Those are called abstract nouns. Fine, as you can see here, happiness, joy, luck, time, calm, wisdom, friend. These all are the things that you cannot touch them. ठीक है ना? Okay, you can see over here, an abstract noun is something you cannot touch, hear, smell, taste or see. Meanwhile, you don't have to use your 5 senses, you have to use your 6th sense, that is, your feeling. Fine, you use your brain for that. Like meanwhile, you just feel that thing. ठीक है? For example, bravery, you cannot touch bravery. ठीक है? You can just feel the bravery of a person. Health can be felt. Freedom, it can also be felt. You cannot touch that. As I already told you, class, abstract nouns you cannot touch, from like you cannot touch, taste, see and smell. Now like you can see here, you can just experience them. Fine, excitement, you can see here, excitement means happiness, you can just feel that. Curiosity कहते हैं तजस्सुस को, you can feel curiosity of a person. Pleasure also means happiness, you can feel that. Anger, if a person is angry, you cannot touch the anger of a person, you can just feel that. Sickness, बीमारी, ठीक है ना? Jealousy, you can just feel that a person is going to be jealous with you, you cannot touch that. You can also see a number of examples over here. Love for your parents, you can just feel that, you cannot touch that. ठीक है ना? Friendship, if a person is, you have any friendship with any person, so you can just feel that friendship. Happiness can be felt. Fear, खौफ जो होता है, you can just feel the fear, you cannot touch that. Responsibility, you feel that your examinations are near, so you just be prepared for the examination. ठीक है? Peace कहते हैं अमन को, that is also the thing that can be felt, you cannot touch that. Okay class, I have brought a very short activity for you. You don't have to attempt it in any piece of paper, or you don't have to do it anywhere. Just have to do it orally. Fine, these are some of the abstract nouns and some other common nouns. Different multiple nouns are there. What you have to do, you have to find them out. Here it is written, color in the speech balloons with abstract nouns. You don't have to color anywhere, just have to find out. I'm reading them, you just recognize. I told you abstract nouns are the nouns that you can just feel, and concrete nouns are the nouns that you can touch. ठीक है ना? Now friendship, can you touch that or you can feel that? Sadness, ribbon, ribbon is a common noun, I'm telling you. ठीक है? Fish, law, kindness, hat, face, joy, door, anger, रूल्स, ठीक है ना? रूल्स जैसे क्लासरूम रूल्स होते हैं. अग्रीमेंट मीन्स यानी मुआहदा, कोई भी अग्रीमेंट होता है. ठीक है? थॉट, पिक्चर, ठीक है? नाउ यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज विच आर द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स एंड विच आर द कॉमन नाउन्स. यू डोंट हैव टू फाइंड आउट कॉमन नाउन्स, जस्ट फाइंड आउट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स फ्रॉम दीज नाउन्स. Okay class, one more activity is there for you. Fine, you don't have to attempt it again on any piece of paper, you just have to do it orally. Fine, you have to find out the abstract nouns from these sentences. Now you can see here, I respected the honesty my friend showed. Now respected is a verb here, honesty you can feel, friend is a person who, like जो दोस्त होता है. So friend is a common noun, respected is is the verb. Now what is abstract noun here? First, in the first sentence I've guided you. Rest of the sentences you will have to do yourself. Second one is, over time most people develop wisdom. Now what thing you can feel? Third one is an innocent child has innocence. ठीक है. Fourth one is a beautiful woman is known for her beauty. What is the thing that you can feel? You cannot touch that. Fifth one is a brave soldier has bravery. We discussed in the beginning of the lecture also. Fine. Sixth one is when people are happy, they are full of happiness. So what is the thing in sixth sentence which you can feel? You cannot touch that. Okay, class 5, I guess your concept of abstract nouns must have been clear, and the review again has been done. Now you people do take a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.